Hello and welcome to Daily Design Day 186. We're close to 200, so pretty cool. First off, as usual, start off with a Gaussian blur and then jump right into that gradient map craziness where I spend hours trying to find color combinations I like and then not liking any of it. Here I'm trying to find some colors and I obviously can't, so I try fixing it for so long. Then I try and remove some of the blur to have that extra detail on the girls swimming, which turned out pretty okay, I think. I then merge everything together and add a camera raw filter, hoping that I can change the colors into something that I actually like more. And here I am playing around with the color sliders for the hue, saturation. I then add my grain. Then there's a paper texture, a plastic texture, which is pretty cool because it kind of looks like it's creating some movement in the water, like some sort of waves. I then add a poster texture. This is me playing around with a half-tone texture. I love half-tone textures. They're my favorite lately. I'm still not 100% okay with the colors, so I bring everything back into Camera Raw and edit the colors a little bit more. And yeah, I think last thing is I distort my text using some displacement maps, and that's it. I also made a black and white version because why not? Okay, let me know if you like it.